Alrighty, team, welcome back for section 2. Now, last time we figured out how to label our triangle. Now, this time we're going to go ahead and find the angles using our side labels, and we're going to do a little bit of opposite operations to figure this out. So the first step is to write our SOH-CAH-TOA as usual. Go ahead and set it up. So our first step is to write our SOH-CAH-TOA, our mnemonic. Step 2 is to come up with an equation using our SOH-CAH-TOA. So let's say we were looking for angle theta here. We would need to find the opposite side, like before, which is side O, and we have our longest side being our hypotenuse, and the adjacent side being the side that is right beside it. So let's write ourselves an equation. So since we have the opposite side and we have our hypotenuse, let's say these were the sides we're given, I would go ahead and use the sine function since it says sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So let's do sine of angle theta would be equal to opposite side O over hypotenuse size h. Now this is our equation here, and if we want to go ahead and find the angle itself, what we would need to do is use the opposite operations to get angle theta being equal to the inverse of our trig function sine of the side opposite over the side of the hypotenuse. So what this would look like is I would go ahead and have theta equal to the inverse of sine. So sine to the power of -1, that is the sine inverse, would give me opposite over hypotenuse if we were to use the sine. What if we were to use cosine, for example? If we had the cosine of theta, if we were looking for a cosine of theta, that would be equal to the adjacent over hypotenuse, so side A over H. And to find the angle, we would do the opposite operations, which would give us theta. It's the wrong thing. Theta equals cosine inverse of A over H, and so forth. Now to get your actual answer, what you would need to do is use your scientific calculator and click on the button that says function. And then if we were using the cosine, we would do cosine of whatever number is there. Okay, hopefully this helps and that you're ready to complete section 2.